Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix zoomed in front camera on Snapchat. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Snapchat app. And once you're inside here, tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. And once you're inside your profile icon, simply tap on the settings icon on the top right corner of the screen. That is your gear icon as well. And once you're inside your settings page, scroll down and then under additional services, you'll find an option that says Lens Studio. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside Lens Studio, tap on the option that says Tap to Reset, and now tap on Unpair. And now all you gotta do is just pair it once again and then try again. Now if this still doesn't fix the issue, then what you need to do is go back, and here under privacy controls you'll find an option that says clear data. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside clear data, here you'll have an option that says clear lenses. Simply tap on that, and now tap on clear all lenses and then go back, and here scroll down and then you'll find an option that says clear cache. Simply tap on that and then tap on clear, and once you're done with this, go back and try again, and that will fix the issue. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.